Hello everybody and welcome back to FX Street. My name is Akash and today we're going to be taking a look at Ethereum and discuss what's happening with it. But before we actually dive into the details of the technicals and what I'm expecting, please make sure to head on over to our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to stay updated to the hottest trends in the crypto market and the content that we produce on almost regular basis, please make sure to also click on this bell icon. You can also give us a follow on Twitter at FXSCrypto, and if you enjoy the content that I put out on my Twitter or on my YouTube channel, please make sure to also give me a follow at Mangiko with the 0 at the end, where we scalp actively Bitcoin, and I post my setups on my video and that kind of stuff, right? So this is one that I posted very recently. So let's move on to Ethereum, right? As discussed in the videos that I made earlier for FX Street, these are the levels that I'm looking at to book profits if I long here, and I've been predicting a Bitcoin that Ethereum price is going to crash below the 1731 support level I think since 3rd of June, and it came to pass on 7th June, 4 days after my prediction, and now I'm expecting the price to kind of swiftly move higher, break this declining trend line, and at least, if not all the way up to 2164, I'm at least expecting to move up to 2020. Now the reason for this is completely like there are multiple reasons. Let me just discuss two reasons, right? The first reason is Ethereum is forming this W pattern here, right? In that sense, I am expecting the price to at least retest the equal high if this pattern completes. And now, as you can see here, the price has given us another opportunity to long here. Like if you failed to long Ethereum here, now you have another opportunity to long Ethereum, assuming it goes up to equal highs here at 2020. Now from the current position, this would be a good 15% upswing for you, but looking at the swing highs that were formed here, which are marked X here, these swing highs are virtually untapped and they have liquidity resting above these highs. So if Bitcoin price doesn't reverse every single run up that it does, then there's a good chance Ethereum price could continue going higher and collect these liquidity resting above these swing highs. Right, the highest level here is 2164, and that's where my conservative outlook ends. If you want to risk more, or if you want to risk losing your PNLs if you long here, you could probably wait for Ethereum price to retest these high time frame resistance level here at 2300 and 2400. Now that's these are my targets for Ethereum if you long it here at 1700, 1731-ish. The only way this outlook would be invalidated would be if Ethereum produces a daily candlestick close below this level here at 1700 and Ethereum price fails to recover above it, where we see another rejection up here. That indicates that the price is kind of primed to move lower, right? So yeah, that pretty much kind of explains my outlook on Ethereum. I'm gonna prevent or refrain from doing long-term analysis, because Ethereum is kind of not just Ethereum, but every altcoin in the ecosystem is kind of following Bitcoin very closely, right? So Bitcoin falls, the altcoin ecosystem falls. Now there are some altcoins that have a lot of strength which consolidate when Bitcoin falls. These are the altcoins that do not fall into this category, but the rest fall into this basket, and Ethereum is also one of those coins in the basket. So predicting long-term targets for Ethereum would make no sense, especially when Bitcoin is chopping. Alright, so that is pretty much it for Ethereum. If you enjoyed this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.